Hi, welcome to this ebuilding tutorial. In this video we'll show you how to add a Matterport model into the unit. Choose the building and the unit. Click on Matterport logo on the My Models menu. Click on New. Write or paste your Matterport ID. Write a title and alt text. It will be shown on mouse over. Select if you want the model starts in autoplay mode and click Save button. Finally click on the model you just uploaded and check it. Now you have your Matterport model in ebuilding with complete menu of tags. Check out the next video to watch how to add contents in your Matterport model.